Understanding up to 50% off, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a common phrase you might see in shopping advertisements. Up to 50% off. This phrase is frequently used in sales and marketing, so understanding it can be very helpful. Let's break down the phrase, up to 50% off. This phrase has three main parts. 1. Up to, this indicates a maximum limit. 2. 50%. This is a percentage, which means a portion of a whole, in this case, half. 3. Off, in this context, off, means a reduction in price. When a store advertises, up to 50% off, it means you can find products with discounts ranging from a small percentage up to a maximum of 50%. It's important to understand that not all items will be 50% cheaper. Some might be 10%, 20%, or any other percentage less than or equal to 50%. Let's see some examples. 1. A shirt originally priced at $20 might be 20% off, costing you $16. 2. A pair of shoes with a 50% discount on the original price of $60 will now cost $30. 3. An item like a bag might be only 10% off its original price of $50, reducing its price to $45. Understanding that up to 50% off is a marketing strategy can help you shop smarter. Retailers use this phrase to attract customers, but it doesn't necessarily mean that all products have the best discounts. Always check the actual discount on each item. I hope this explanation clarifies what up to 50% off means and helps you make informed decisions while shopping. Remember, it's a phrase that indicates potential savings, but the actual discount varies. Happy learning and happy shopping!